Punjab National Bank (PNB) has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with the Forest Department, Government of West Bengal to voluntarily plant 10,000 seedlings across the state during FY 2026-27. The partnership highlights PNB's continued commitment to environmental sustainability, afforestation, and community participation in conservation efforts. Solar company Acme Solar has secured 2,646.64 crore rupees long-term project funding for its Acme Green Tech 7th 450 megawatts / 1,800 megawatt hours assured peak power project from state-run NBFC REC Limited. The company will deploy these funds for the development and construction of this project. REC Limited will serve as the sole financer for this project for 20 years. NLC India Limited (NLCIL) has signed the Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) with IIT Kanpur to collaborate on artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning (ML), capacity building, and strategic digital initiatives. The partnership aims to strengthen digital capabilities, improve operational efficiency, and promote innovation through advanced technologies across the organization. Power Finance Corporation (PFC) is celebrating its 41st Foundation Day, marking more than 4 decades of supporting India's power and infrastructure sector. The occasion is being commemorated with vibrant decorations and elegant displays at PFC, reflecting the organization's journey of growth, innovation, and contribution to the nation's development. Indian Railways is all set to introduce the country's first indigenous hydrogen fuel cell powered train. The train is scheduled to be inaugurated on July 17, 2026 and will run on the Jind-Sonipat section of the Northern Railway in Haryana. This project marks a significant step towards clean and sustainable rail transportation in India. NTPC Limited has invited bids for the supply and replacement of S-panel tubes for Stage 1, 2 times 500 megawatts units at its Rihan Super Thermal Power Station. This is an important maintenance and upgradation work aimed at improving the reliability and performance of the power plant. In a significant step towards fuel quality, the state-run oil firm Indian Oil has taken note of recent concerns being expressed on social media. The Oil PSU, IOCL, wishes to reassure its customers that ensuring the quality of fuel supplied through its retail outlets remains one of the corporation's highest priorities. A Maharatna PSU Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL), a Government of India undertaking, has reported a strong turnaround in its standalone financial performance for the quarter ended June 30, 2026, posting a net profit of 381.91 crore rupees against a loss of 454.89 crore rupees in the same period last year. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation (ONGC) has announced that Fitch Ratings has affirmed its long-term foreign currency issuer default rating (IDR) at BBB- with a stable outlook, while upgrading the company's standalone credit profile (SCP) to BBB+. Punjab National Bank (PNB) has informed the stock exchanges that the National Stock Exchange of India Limited (NSE) has withdrawn the monetary penalty of 3,35,000 rupees imposed on the bank earlier. The penalty was levied for non-closure of certain vulnerability assessment and penetration testing (VAPT) observations for the financial year 2024-25.